Hey there, welcome back to our channel where your support keeps growing. Thanks for being here. You curious about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the world of digital money? This video is your ultimate beginner-esque guide to understanding cryptocurrency and whether it deserves a spot in your investment portfolio. In this comprehensive breakdown, we'll demystify what is cryptocurrency. We'll explain the core concepts like blockchain technology and decentralization in easy-to-understand terms. How does crypto work? Discover how transactions are secured, verified, and recorded on a public ledger. And finally, why invest in cryptocurrency? First, volatility. Remember that it's essential to stay informed and make calculated decisions based on your financial situation and risk tolerance. We hope this video has shed some light on this exciting and rapidly evolving field. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider sharing it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay tuned for more insightful videos coming soon. Thank you for watching. Crypto prices are known for their wild swings, and they can be influenced by various factors, including market sentiment, regulatory news, and technological developments. Second, regulatory uncertainty. The crypto market is relatively new, and regulations are still evolving, which creates uncertainty for investors. Third, security concerns. Hacking, scams, and loss of access to digital assets are risks that investors must be aware of. And finally, lack of protections. Unlike traditional bank accounts, most crypto holdings are not insured by government agencies. We'll explore the potential benefits and the risks involved. Let's dive in. First up, what is cryptocurrency? Imagine a digital form of money that uses cryptography for security. That's exactly what cryptocurrency is. It's a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange. Cryptocurrencies are a new asset class that have gained popularity in recent years. They use cryptography for security and operate independently of central banks, making them an attractive option for investors seeking diversification. Now let's talk about how crypto works. Cryptocurrencies use a technology called blockchain to record transactions across multiple computers. This makes it difficult for hackers to alter the data. To understand this, think of a blockchain as a public ledger that keeps track of all cryptocurrency transactions. Once a transaction is confirmed, it's added to the blockchain, creating a permanent record. The blockchain is maintained by a network of computers, and any changes to the data must be approved by a majority of the network. This process ensures the integrity and security of the blockchain. So why should you invest in cryptocurrency? Let's explore the reasons that make crypto an appealing investment. First, high return potential. Cryptocurrencies have seen significant growth, but it's important to note that while some investors have reaped substantial profits, others have also suffered substantial losses due to the market's volatility. So please do your own research and invest responsibly. Second, decentralization. Crypto operates independently of central authorities, which makes it resistant to censorship and allows for faster international transactions. Third, accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection can access and use crypto, opening up financial opportunities to a global audience. Fourth, faster and lower cost transactions. Crypto transactions are typically processed faster and for lower fees compared to traditional bank transfers, making it an attractive option for those seeking efficiency. Eventually, diversification. Adding crypto to your portfolio can help spread risk and potentially increase returns. It's important to remember that investing in crypto involves risks. Let's discuss the potential downsides. As we wrap up this beginner's guide to cryptocurrency,